Yes, good morning. Welcome back. It's another day, cook and inspire back in the kitchen again today. So I'll be cooking some scrambled eggs this morning with some fried plantain. And I'll show you how I do my thing. And I've also got some lemongrass tea. In Jamaica, we know it as fever grass. Okay, so I'll show you my preparations and how I do my scrambled eggs. You may have got different ways of doing scrambled egg, but this is the way I do my scrambled egg. So take a look and see what's happening. Right. So this is it. Here we've got some tomatoes, some garlic. I've got some scallions. In Britain we know it as spring onions. I've got some plantain that I'm gonna fry, and in my scrambled egg, as you see, I've mixed up everything already. So I've put some maggi chicken flavor seasoning in my scrambled egg. I'll be using the butter to do my scrambled egg. I don't like too much grease, so I've used a bit of butter just to get the pot hot and everything. I've used pink salt. As you can see, I've got my pink salt there. I've also put some parsley in my scrambled egg. So basically everything is already in this bowl which I've mixed up already. Yes, so this is how I do my scrambled egg, Jamaican style. I've put my own spin to it. You may have done yours a bit different, but this is the way I do it. Yes, and over here I've got my famous lemongrass tea. Yeah, this is it, man. I've just boiled that up. You see it's nice and steamy there. Some people may know it as lemongrass, but we call it fever grass back home. As you can see, I've got my frying pan already there, ready to go. So yeah, so welcome back again. It's Cook and Inspire. Have you seen the first part of my pre-prepared stuff? As I said to you before, what I've used in my scrambled egg. This is the way I do a scrambled egg. Everybody got their own spin of how they do their scrambled egg, but this is how I do it. Yeah, I've put my maggi seasoning, my pink salt, my parsley. As you see, I have my tomatoes here and my garlic, which I've pre-chopped, my scallion, otherwise known as spring onions, and I'll be doing some fried plantain also. Yeah, so I'll take you through the process of how I do it. I can't tell you how to cook. Everybody have their own ways of cooking. So I'll be using some original Flora butter. That's what I'll be using to do my scrambled egg. So let's take it to the stove. Right, so I've turned on my stove. I guess you know how to turn on your stove. This is how I turn on my stove. Okay, so I'll be taking some butter, put it in the pot. Let's cover this back up. I'm a man of order. I like to see things put back in order when I'm cooking. If I use one spoon and I'm not going to use it again, then I'll wash it up. That's me. Okay. Right. I'll fry the plantain. I'll fry the plantain after. So put this aside for now. Yeah. Put those aside. My egg, which I don't need because I've already cracked my egg inside there. Wow. My tomatoes I don't need. I've already cracked my tomato. I can't crack tomatoes, innit? I've already chopped my tomatoes, my scallion. Already chopped. Okay. So this is my mixture. As you can see, everything already mixed. in my bowl, ready to go. So this is my garlic, my spring onions. I already put my parsley inside of my egg and my tomato. So what I will do now I've got the butter sizzling over there. You know, shizzle my nizzle like elephant man. Sizzling. Okay, so as I get that up nice and hot, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour in my garlic inside. I'll be using medium heat. You don't want to get it too hot so that your pot will burn. So I'll saute my garlic a bit. I just want to bring out the flavor in the garlic. You know, look at that, nice and sizzly. Nice and I can already smell that garlic flavor starting to come alive. Can you smell that? Can you smell that, camera man, boy? Yeah, man. That's what my son is doing. My flimming. You know, it's such a great help this morning because my wife, she decided to run off in the bath and leave me downstairs. Right, so my garlic, as you can see, is getting a bit of golden there. So now I'm going to do, pour in my spring onion, my scallion in there. Bring that up to, bring it back down to low flame. You know, you want to get it, take it off the flame a bit. It's all that, I wish you can smell all this flavor coming up from the spring onion and the garlic and all of that and the butter. As I say, you don't need too much oil in the frying pan for your scrambled egg. There we go. I think I need a bit of olive oil in that, you know. Need a bit of olive oil in that. Yes. Bring it down to low flame. Right, let me get my garlic olive oil. So what I'll be using some garlic infused olive oil. Yeah, that's gonna be nice, man. It's gonna be really nice. So bring that out back. Alright, there we go. I won't be using my fork in this pan because I don't want to get all those scratching my pan. My wife warned me about these frying pans. Don't never use sharp object in this frying pan. You know, always use, what do you call this? Spatula.
What you talking about? What you talking about?
Spatula.
What you talking about?
Spatula, something like that.
What you talking about?
Yeah. Yeah, so there it goes. My pan is already hot. Now I'm going in with my egg mixture. Yeah, there it goes. That looks nice already, man. Yeah, so give it a look. Mix around. I don't want to use my whisk. I just do it my Jamaican style. You know, bring my stove up back to medium heat. Let that cook. Right, let's keep mixing it around. You want to get all those goodness from the garlic and the spring onion. I've already put salt inside the egg mixture. So if you don't see me put any salt in there, don't scream at me and say, oh, put salt in there. I've already put black pepper inside as well. So everything's already mixed up. You know, so you don't need to add. You don't want it too salty as well. You gotta watch the diabetes, you know. Diabetic, you gotta watch the diabetic and all these things. I believe I use the right word there with the diabetes. Watch the diabetes. That's the way I do my things still. You know. Don't pay me no mind if I hear me chat pure foolishness. That's just me doing my thing. Yeah, man. If you want to beat me bad on this scrambled egg video, then beat me bad, man. I'm back broad, my chest broad. We can take beating. We can take beating. Yeah, man. So here we go. Want to get that up nice and. So if you see this video and you like it, let's drop a comment. Tell me how you do your scrambled egg. You know. And if you want to see me cook something special, then leave a comment. Yeah, let's loosen that up a bit, man. Yeah. That looks good, innit? Smells good too. Yeah, man, that's soft. Let's smash it up a bit. Remember the scrambled egg, not boiled egg. All your tomatoes and your herbs in there. I'll tell you what, I'm going to need a bit more parsley. Yeah, I love herbs. I love to use herbs when I'm cooking. You know, how beautiful that is. Oh, beautiful that is. Yeah, man, that's already done. So I'll turn my flame off. Yeah. So I'm gonna stop the video right here, and I'll come back and show you my finished product when I'm frying my plantain and when I've plated up. Alright, so I'll catch you on the next clip. Yeah, so welcome back again. This is how I'm gonna fry my plantain. You've seen how I've prepared my scrambled egg. You know, so I'll be doing my plantain. I don't like when my plantain is a bit too soft. I don't like it. It doesn't come out too good when it's too soft. I like when it's a bit firm. Yeah, so you get a good fry. Right. So what I'll do, I'll take the. I don't know if plantain have bottom in it or the ends. I'll take the ends off the plantain, both sides, and what I'll do, I'll put a little cut in there. If you never peel a plantain before, this is how you do it. Yeah, so you put a cut in there, and that way you use your finger to take the skin off. See, very simple. I don't know if you ever see how they have like skin of goat or sheep or something like that, similar. You know, so put that over there. Very easy. I'll do 3 cuts. 1, 2, and I'll slice them before. You know, this knife is very sharp, and I don't want to cut my finger. You know, so I'll slice them like that. I got about 4 pieces out of 1 cut. Yeah, so done them like that before. Yeah. I'm gonna cut them up so when we get our pot, our frying pan hot, we just dip our plantain in the oil so that it doesn't burn. I have to be focused with this knife. It is so sharp, you know, and I haven't got much knife skill, to be honest with you. You know, get my hands clean. You know, my hands clean, man. Anyways, me gonna eat it anyway, so yeah, so I've get my fire on. Yeah, man. Plantain over there, so put my tissue here, so let me get a fork. Yeah, so what I've done, I've placed some napkins in the I use 2 layers. What I've done, put napkin in there, so when my plantain fried, then it will just absorb the oil out of it. No, you don't want to do oil in it. Not too much oil. You know, You gotta watch the cholesterol. Yeah? How do I know when my oil is hot? I guess I see it started to change. There's some waves begin to appear in your oil. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. That's how I know when my oil is hot. We don't want to put the flame on. Let's bring that down. Medium heat. You want to burn up the plantain, you know. Yeah, man. I think it's ready now. So in goes my plantain. I could add a bit more still, but yeah, it's good. Plantain is going in. In Jamaica, what them say? Who the beg no want? I say go. Who the beg no want? And who beg nah get, yes. Who the beg no want and who beg nah get. Yeah. So, my wife not eating none of this breakfast this morning. She was supposed to make me breakfast, you know, but she eyed out the thing this morning, so I'm making my breakfast. Give it a little flip. There you go. Give it a little flip over. Give it a little flip. I don't like when my plantain burn. Not at all. I'll bring it back when I show you the finished product. Yeah, so until then, I'll show you when it's finished. Yeah, so welcome back again. Here we are, the finished product of our scrambled egg fried plantain with some green salad with a bit of whole wheat hard-dough bread. There's no, it can't be Jamaican if there's no hard-dough bread. There it is. Wow, that looks lovely. I'm gonna dig in a minute. Peace out. Don't forget, if you like this cooking, don't forget to subscribe, share to our video, and drop a comment if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. Peace out. It's your boy Chef Garnet here. Until next time.